Let us pray. Lord, we thank you for giving us another day to be fruitful. Help each of us to be wise and excellent enough as we discuss matters that will lead to the betterment of our city. Purify our thoughts so we can serve our fellow Santiagueños the best we can. Guide us, O Lord, that we may be able to work according to your will. This we ask in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
Honorable Marcelino C. Cabuano Jr., Honorable Arlene Jane Alvarez-Reyes, Honorable Celine Gina Bayasikyan, Your Honor, has an excuse letter, and also Honorable Wolfrando Arlogo, Honorable Christian Vincent Nebila Yagabao, Honorable Aizen Fayez Marero, Honorable Nicasio V. Bautista III, Honorable Katrina Disable, Honorable Excelon G. Alvarez, also has an excuse letter, Honorable Alistair Alejandro G. Dirie, Honorable Brenda Sakluna, Honorable Benzi Tanchay, Honorable Resurrection Torian Ponce, Mr. Presiding Officer, 10 members of the City Council are present. I certify the quorum.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. I respectfully move that the reading of the minutes of the 60th regular session of the present Council, held on February 3 of this year, be dispensed with.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. Proceed.
If there are no corrections respecting the said minutes, I move that the minutes of the 60th regular session of the 8th City Council held on February 3, 2015 be approved.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion the duly seconded motion to approve the minutes of the 66th regular session of the 8th City Council held on February 3, 2015 is hereby approved.
Honorable Joseph Salvador Tan, requesting this august body to consider in our regular session this afternoon, certifying the urgency to take up 2 items, Your Honor. A resolution authorizing the City Mayor, Honorable Joseph Salvador Tan, to enter into and sign Memorandum of Agreement for and in behalf of the City Government of Santiago with the Industrial Technology Development Institute and Department of Science and Technology for the establishment of a Muscovado processing plant in the City of Santiago. And the second item, Your Honor, is a resolution partially updating the inventory of roads within the City of Santiago. Your Honor, may I move that this be included under letters, Your Honor.
Letters, okay. Anyone else? Councilor Lee, can you move for the approval of the business of the day as amended?
Your Honor, may I move for the approval of the business of the day with its amendment, Your Honor.
Any second objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved.
Your Honor, during our last session, there were queries that were raised by members of the Council, Your Honor. However, at that time, the resource person was not available. But this afternoon, we are fortunate that the City Agriculture Officer in the person of Mr. Nards Mailem is present, along with Punong Barangay Rolando Tablada, Your Honor of Nabuan, and they are all very willing to enlighten this august body, Your Honor, pertaining to the request of the Honorable Local Chief Executive with regards to the passage of a resolution authorizing the City Mayor, Honorable Joseph Salvador Tan, to enter into and sign for and in behalf of the City Government of Santiago, Memorandum of Agreement with Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office 2 relating to the establishment of multi-purpose drying pavement in the City of Santiago. Your Honor, may I move for the suspension of rules to grant speaking rights to our two resource persons to enlighten this august body, Your Honor, with regards to the request of our Chief Executive. I so move.
Any second? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. Who will, okay.
Ating kagalang-galang na presiding officer, the Honorable Marcelino Junjun Tabukana. Members of this august body, magandang hapon po. This representation in behalf of the City Government Office is requesting for the approval of a resolution authorizing our City Mayor to sign or enter into a MOA between the Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office number 2 for the construction of two multipurpose drying pavements at Nabuan, Santiago City. Supporting papers of which is available, and if there are queries, nakahanda po ang inyong lingkod para sagutin yung mga queries. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Nung huli pong sesyon ng Sangguniang Panlungsod, ako po ay may dalawang katanungan na hindi po nasagot. Uulitin ko na lamang po. Isa po sa mga obligasyon ng recipient sa Subject Memorandum of Agreement ay magsumiti po ng Deed of Donation of the Lot duly notarized. Ang akin pong katanungan, nais ko pong malaman, just for the record, yung exact location po ng lupa na idudunhin.
Authorizing or mayor to sign the MOA between the DA Regional Field Office number 2. Dito po yung location po, yung isa pong MPDP ay gagawin sa isang lote po owned by Barangay Nabuan. At yung isa po ay i-donate ng isang constituent po ng Nabuan na si Miss Maribeth M. Tomas. Located din po sa Nabuan. We have here our Barangay Captain of Nabuan, which is which is more of authority to give the description of the exact location of the said lot. Thank you po.
Ang sinasabi po ninyo ay si Kapitan, ang punong barangay po, ang makakapagsabi ng exact location po ng lupa. Tama po ba?
Opo.
With that, may I move for the suspension of the rules to give speaking rights to the punong barangay o Barangay Nabuan, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yung pong katanungan niyo po, yung exact location po ng paglalagyan po ng multipurpose drying pavement ay doon po sa pag-aari po ng Barangay Nabuan sa Purok 1. Yun po yung bakanting lote na dating kambingan po nung panahon po ni former Mayor Miranda na hindi po nagagalaw. Kaya doon po namin ilalagay. Maluwang po yung 7,000 square meters. doon po namin ilalagay yung isa pong multipurpose drying pavement. Then yung pong isa sa Poro 4 Labuan, doon po donation po ng aking kagawad na isa, si Kagawad Maribel Tomas, doon po sa tabi niya, na dalaw po ang purpose doon. Drying pavement po, saka meron po kasi silang basketball court po. Kaya po nagpupursige po ako kasi mga kabataan, nagpupursige po sila para malagyan po ng basketball court and multipurpose drying pavement po.
Thank you. Mr. Presiding Officer, it is indicated in the MOA that the basis for the preparation of MOA or Memorandum of Agreement and issuance of the notice to proceed is a deed of the donation of the land that is duly notarized. Nabanggit po ni Ginoong Mylan kanina na hindi pa po na notaryuhan yung pong deed of donation. May I just ask again si Ginoong Mylan po kung bakit po di pa po nanonotaryuhan yung pong deed of donation.
Kasi po hinihintay po namin yung approval ng authority of the city mayor to sign the law. Saka po namin papanotaryuhan ng deed of donation.
Anyway po. Yung isa po ay, ang donor po natin ay ang Barangay Labuan. Kailangan pa rin po ba ng deed of donation kung ang donor na po ay Barangay Labuan na po? Wala po tayong question pagdating po kay Ma'am Tomas o kay Kagawad Tomas. Dahil in her personal capacity po, idodonate niya po yung lupa.
Yung po pag-aari po ng Barangay Labuan, meron po silang resolution donating a portion of their land for the construction of the LPDP. Tapos nandito po yung signed resolution by the Barangay Council.
Just for clarification po, ang Barangay Labuan po ay may lupa. Magdodonate po siya ng lupa sa sarili po niya. I believe po na ang kailangan lamang po na mag-execute ng deed of donation para po makapag-comply po kayo sa mga hinihiling na sa panig po ng Barangay Labuan. Ang kakailangan lamang po mag-execute ng deed of donation ay si Kagawad Tomas.
Ganun na nga po.
Yun lamang po. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you po, Cap. Thank you po, Ginoong Mylan.
Any queries? None? Councilor Arlene?
Mr. Presiding Officer, nais kong pasalamatan ng mga resource person natin from the Executive Department for satisfying the queries of the members of this body. Maraming salamat po, Manong Nards Maylem, ang ating City Agriculture Officer and Punong Barangay Rolando Taplada. Well, at this point, Your Honor, may I now move for the approval of the resolution authorizing the City Mayor, Honorable Joseph Salvador Tan, to enter into and sign for and in behalf of the City Government of Santiago, Memorandum of Agreement with Department of Agriculture Regional Field Office No. 2 relating to the establishment of multi-purpose drying pavement in the City of Santiago under suspended rules, Your Honor.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved.
Last session, Your Honor, there are again queries that were raised by members of this august body. This afternoon, we have the representative of the local chief executive to explain, Your Honor, the request pertaining to a resolution authorizing the city mayor to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Labor and Employment, Your Honor, relating to the implementation of government internship program in the City of Santiago. We have here this afternoon our City Human Resources and Management Officer, Mr. Antonio Carrion, and our Mr. Dencio Desalia, who is also very much aware of this program, Your Honor. May I move for the suspension of rules, Your Honor, to grant them speaking rights to discuss what this resolution, or what is the basis for this resolution, Your Honor.
Okay, any second objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved.
Pagbati po na isang magandang hapon sa ating membro ng Sangguniang Pangustod at pinupunuan po na ating kagalang-galang na Mr. Presiding Officer ang ating City Vice Mayor Junjun Cabral. Magandang hapon po sa kanila lahat. Ang GIP po, ang Government Internship Program po ay isang programa ng Department of Labor na inuugnay po sa atin sa PESO, sa Public Employment Service, through the Public Employment Service Office po natin. At ito pong internship program ay napagkalooban po tayo ng 5 slots po dito sa Santiago. Ang GIP po ay hindi po salary, kundi po ay, yan po ay isang stipend or allowance to sa beneficiary. Allowance po kaya kasi 75% lang po ng minimum, yung prevailing minimum wage po ng ating region, yun po ang ating ibabayad sa kanila. Ang panggagalingan po ng kanilang stipend ay magmumula sa Department of Labor po. Ang ating katungkulan bilang pong partner ng programang ito ay mamili ng magiging mga beneficiaryo ng programa. Sa katunayan po, meron na po tayo ng piling 5. Yung 2 po ay ating pong special beneficiaries po, yung nag-graduate na po sila. At yung 3 po ay mga recommendees po ng barangay captain po rin sa ating lungsod. Sila po ay, kung matatapos po ang payment nito, sila po ay magsisimula by April 6 po ng taong ito, Your Honors.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Good afternoon, sir. Malinaw po ba na 5 lang po ang slots na ito?
Yes, Your Honor. Kasi po sa buong Region 2 po, 130 something lang po yung naibigay po ng national government para po sa ating region. So, na-distribute po ito sa iba't ibang probinsya po ng Region 2 po.
5 lang ho at nakapili na kayo ng 5?
Meron po kasing alituntunin din dito, sir. Nakapili na po ng yung maaari po nga sana yung beneficiary po ay yung din po kanilang yung beneficiary rin po na special nakagraduate na po. Na sila rin po yung nagbigay ng...
Sir, ang tanong ko po kasi, ngayon lang po natin pinag-aaralan to. Ngayon lang po ninyong dinala to. Nakapili na pala kayo ng 5, ano pa ho ang aming dapat gawin? Hindi ho ba dapat hinintay niyo muna kami bago kayo pumili ng 5? Kasi nga ho, meron din naman ho kaming obligasyon sa aming mga constituents na ito ay palaganap. At kung sila ay magtatanong, wala naman ho kayong maisasagot sapagkat tapos na pala itong programang ito at gusto nilang kaming isama, pero wala na pala dahil nakapili na pala kayo ng 5. Ano pa ho ang inyong idinudulog dito? Eh halos tapos na pala. At sinabi nyo nga mag-uumpisa na sila sa April 6. Eh MOA ho itong inyong inilalapit sa amin upang pag-aralan po namin dito, hindi ho ba? Eh halos na-accomplish na po lahat ng gagawin. Wala na nga kaming gagawin dapat. Hinihingi na lang ninyo yung aming permiso, pero nakapili na ho kayo ng 5.
Umanin po ni Your Honor na nakapili po kami kasi sinunod lamang po namin yung kanilang programa na bago po kasi ipatupad yung programa, kailangan po muna na meron na po kaming maipakita sa kanila, may submit po sa kanila na mga, halimbawa 5 po yung slots natin, na isubmit na po sa kanila yung pangalan para ho makita ho nila kung sinunod po yung mga requirements po ng kanilang programa yun.
At naisip nyo na isunod na lang itong resolution mula sa Sangguniang Panglangsod?
Hiningi rin po sa amin na magkaroon din po ng memorandum of
Ano mo ba
understanding.
dapat ang ating inuna? Yung sanggunian po? O yung bahala na kayong pumili at bahala na rin kayo sanggunian kung inyong pagbibigyan ito? Hindi ko ba dapat mas naunang ito muna napag-usapan natin dito sa sangguniang panlunsod at saka natin binuksan kung sa mga nararapat. Lalo na napakalimitado ng slot, 5 lang po yan. Ang hindi ko kasi maintindihan, parang wala naman yata kaming saysay dito na nagawa nyo naman na pala, nakapili na kayo, mag-uumpisa na sila, tapos saka kayo pumunta dito sa amin. Pirmahan nyo nga yan. Kasi nagkakabol na kami, may 5 na kami dito, mag-uumpisa na itong mga to eh. Sa tingin ko po, meron mo yatang hindi nauunawahan kung anong trabaho ng sanggunian tungkol sa mga ganitong bagay. Yun naman ay observation ko lang, Mr. Presiding Officer. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin natin dito tungkol sa resolution. Pero tingin ko po, sana bago i-implement at tingin ng mga kinauukulan na may partisipasyon ng sanggunian, unahin naman sana yung sanggunian bago i-implement yung programa. Salamat po, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes, Mr. Richard.
Your Honor, humingi ako ng paumanhin sa nangyari mo ito. Tama po si Sir, Your Honor, na nataon lang po kasi na ang kwan po namin dito, dahil po may earlier naman na po tayong mga agreement tungkol sa space, nakakuha na po kami ng mga ibang programa rin po ng Department of Labor. Parang inanap po namin na siguro po, kaya po humihingi ako ng pamanhin sa inyo, Your Honor, na dahil 5 lang nga po ito, parang inano na po namin, inassume na po namin na parang kahihintulutan niya na rin po kami dahil po ina-approve na rin po kami ng Department of Labor tungkol po rito. In a way po, yung hong dalawa rito, kinuha lamang din po sa mga graduate po natin ng SPES. Yun din po yun ang inuuna sa amin ng Department of Labor. Hindi nga lang po namin lahat nakuhang 5 dahil galing sa SPES kasi po yung pong meron din hong nag-ano rin po na mga from the barangay chairman, meron nga po rito from Caloocan and Rizal po. Yung dalawa po is from the Binan East and Plaridel po. Pasensya na po kayo kung ganun po ang nangyari, sir. Humihingi po ako ng pamanhin sa inyo.
Meron pa pong darating na grant na ganito, GIP, after this one, may parating pa po kayo.
After this one po, meron pa po, Your Honor. Meron pa rin po.
Meron pa.
Sa susunod po, pinapangako ko po sa inyo, hindi na po mangyayari po nangyari.
We need this summer din po yan.
Bali, 6 months po sila, Your Honor. Hindi naman po kasi sweldo, parang allowance lamang po ito, Your Honor. Parang, ma-orient po sila sa trabaho. Kaya po 75% po nung yung prevailing, yung minimum wage po yung kanila.
Bukod sa space pa po ito, ano?
Iba po yung space, Your Honor. Yung space naman po, yung sweldo po nila, na kung ano po yung prevailing sa atin, yun din ho ang bibigay na po 100%. Na yun ho yung sweldo. Pero 60% of that, nung 100% na sweldo, will be coming from the Department of Labor. Yung tayo ho naman, as the partner po, is 40% po ating counterpart sa sweldo.
Pero may parating pang GIP.
Iba po itong GAP.
May parating pa.
Meron pa po.
Okay.
After this 6 months period po nito, iba na naman po.
O sige, ganito na lang. For the first and last time,
Yes, sir.
we will forgive you.
Thank you po, Your Honor. I'm sorry po.
But next time, you inform us first.
Sorry, Your Honors.
Okay.
I
Councilor
apologize.
Ricky.
Yes,
Any
sorry po.
other question? Okay, Councilor Ricky.
Salamat po.
Okay.
Mr. Presiding Officer, alang-alang doon sa 5, mabibiyayaan na lang ang titignan natin. I now move for the approval of the resolution authorizing the City Mayor, the Honorable Joseph Salvador Tan, to enter into and sign for and in behalf of the City Government of Santiago, Memorandum of Understanding with the Department of Labor and Employment relating to the implementation of Government Internship Program in the City of Santiago under suspended rules, Your Honor.
22nd. Objection. Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved.
Again, Your Honor, may I manifest that every member of this august body be a sponsor to this measure.
Next, Your Honor. Another third and final reading is a proposed resolution accrediting Samang Ilocano Cabagus as a strong partner in the realization of the developmental goals of the City Government of Santiago, sponsored by Councilor Benzi Tanchay and co-sponsored by all other members of the City Council.
Mr. Presiding Officer, may I move for the approval of the just read resolution on third and final reading.
Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. Bank session. Any rate, we will refer it to the Committee on Barangay Affairs and Committee on Rules to make some refinements, and hoping that by next meeting we shall be able to finalize this. This first reading proposed ordinance. And as agreed upon earlier by this body, we shall be referring.
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes, Councilor Arlene Alvarez Recio.
As mentioned by the Honorable Presiding Officer, Your Honor, may I now move that this item be considered under unfinished business, Your Honor, until next session.
Unfinished business.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Any second? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. For the other items in the first reading and letters, petitions, barangay resolutions. Councilor Vincia Davao, maybe you would like to move for the referral to their appropriate committees.
Mr. Chair, I move that all items under letters, petitions, barangay resolution, and ordinances be referred to its proper committee.
The second objection, referral to their proper committees, except letter 2A, okay. Except letter 2A and the inclusion from the letter of the Chief Executive. Any second to that motion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. So, Mr. Secretary, we shall take up 2A. Is Councilor Nicky Bautista will be recognized?
It's the Recognitions Act. Recognitions Act. That's at RA.
And 389.
Act of 2012. This particular case involves a drug case. It is possession of drugs, shabu, wherein the accused, although this is a bailable offense, the bail is 220,000. My concern, it's not an objection, but it's a concern. I think we have ongoing drug program in coordination with the Philippine National Police. And as a matter of fact, we are giving financial assistance to the PNP in order to implement the anti-drug program of the local government unit of Santiago City. So my point here, Mr. Presiding Officer, if we will give our imprimatur to this order, are we not contradicting the programs of the local government unit as far as the anti-drug campaign is concerned, Your Honor? For all we know, the money used for this operation came from the city government, and now we are saying that the accused can go out on temporary liberty with the approval of the Sangguniang Pangonsol, Your Honor. Although this offense is available, but that is only my concern, Your Honor. I would like to know from Attorney Diego, she's the one handling this, probably under the cloud, why she accepted this case, and if this case was a result of the drug campaign of Santiago City, Your Honor.
Presiding officer, the matter at hand pertains to the request of our local chief executive to consider in our session this afternoon the passage of a resolution authorizing the city mayor to enter into and sign memorandum of agreement for and in behalf of the city government of Santiago with the Industrial Technology Development Institute and Department of Science and Technology for the establishment of a Muscovado processing plant in the city of Santiago. Your Honor, we have a resource person from the Executive Department in the person of our City Agriculture Officer, Mr. Nards Mailen. May I move for the suspension of rules, Your Honor, to grant speaking rights to him to discuss with this august body this particular matter.
Yes, okay. Any second? Motion to suspend the rules. Any objection? Hearing that the motion shall be approved.
Magandang hapon po ulit, honorable members and Mr. Presiding Officer. Again, we are requesting for the approval of a resolution authorizing our city mayor to sign a memorandum of agreement with the IPTI, Industrial Technology Development Institute and Department of Science and Technology for the establishment of a Muscovado processing plant in Santiago City, Phase 2. Phase 2 po, sabi natin dahil existing na po yung building, finishing touches na lang po ang mga kailangan. Yung mga implements po for processing ang gagawin po sa Phase 2. Meron pong mga inquiries. Welcome po ang inyong mga inquiries para sagutin ang inyong lingkod.
Alright, questions? Mr. From the Chair, meron ba tayong cash out po dito? Maglalaan po ba ng pondo ang city government?
Yung mga pondo po na gagamitin ay 50. Pero yung accommodations po ng 50 para
Accommodations. Meron na po bang pwedeng pagkunan mula po sa budgeted sa mga accounts na nasama na po sa annual budget o kailangan natin ng supplemental budget o paano? Kasi kung meron na naman, okay din lang. Kung meron na kung naka-allocate, pwedeng kunin sa mga accounts na naka-allocate.
meron po kaming budget for representation.
Okay. So it will come from the representation.
Yes.
What you are asking this body is authorize the mayor to sign this Technology Development Institute. Technology transfer at no cost to the city of Santiago. Please, Councilor Rapil.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. For records purposes, if we go through the memorandum of agreement under the sixth, well, as Your Honor, it says here, a partial payment in the amount of 47,687 pesos and 50 centavos was made by the client, meaning the local government unit, to the ITDI representing 50% of the total project cost to be utilized for the phase 2 of activities. So we have a 50-50 sharing, Your Honor, with regards to the capability building seminar or this matter, Your Honor.
Okay. So, any question? none, I think it's a green light for this resolution. Councilor Lim.
Thank you, Your Honor. As presented, Your Honor, it was already indicated in the Memorandum of Agreement with regards to the counterpart of the local government, with regards to the personnel and staff who will be attending and other technicalities, Your Honor. With this, we hope that we will be able to accomplish what has been started by the City Council. Hindi lang po yung council ngayon, kung hindi yung mga nakaraang council, since this is a phase 2. So at this point, Your Honor, may I move for the approval of the resolution authorizing the City Mayor, the Honorable Joseph Salvador Tan, to enter into and sign Memorandum of Agreement for and in behalf of the City Government of Santiago with the Industrial Technology Development Institute and Department of Science and Technology for the establishment of a Muscovado processing plant in the city of Santiago, Phase 2, under suspended rules.
The second. Objection. Hearing none, the motion shall be approved. Next.
Your Honor, again, may I manifest that all members of this august body will sponsor to this measure.
Okay. Mr. Secretary, can you take note?
To grant speaking rights to the representative, I think there are some concerns that Councilor Nikki would like to manifest, Your Honor.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer. With due respect to whoever will be the resource person. Number one, Mr. Presiding Officer, I do not understand the role of Ms. Sangguniang Panlunsod with respect to the updating of the inventory rules. Why are we even involved in this matter of updating the inventory of roads? Second, I do not understand the be it resolved clause. Be it resolved as it's resolved in partially updating. Probably that's related to my first observation. I would like to know, Mr. Presiding Officer, why is the Sangguniang Panlunsod made part of the inventory of roads?
Councilor Lim, who will be the resource speaker here.
Your Honor, insofar as the resolution or the preparation, maybe, Your Honor, or why we have to participate in this, we have here with us this afternoon our Assistant City Legal Officer, Your Honor, and our City Engineer, Assistant Department Head, Engineer Gonzal. So I think to answer the query of Councilor Nikki, it would be best if it will be the Assistant City Legal Officer as to the basis why the Council should be involved in the updating of roads. So may I move for the suspension of rules, Your Honor, to grant speaking rights to Attorney Francisa Yasa, Your Honor.
I got the point of Honorable Councilor Bautista. And I still, however, Your Honor, the answer for that query, Your Honor, is that the DILG, Your Honor, as said there, the central office is one of the requirements, Your Honor, for their monitoring and for the validation for the implementation of SLRF projects, Your Honor, for us again to ask the Sangguniang, Your Honor, for the updating the inventory of roads, Your Honor. And as we recall, Your Honor, the Honorable Sangguniang Panlunsod, Your Honor, approved the inventory of the roads as in the year 1997, Your Honor. Up to date, Your Honor, we do not have, we need to update according to the coordinators, Your Honor, of SLRF, regional coordinator, Your Honor. They are requiring us to submit the resolution, Your Honor, for them as a requirement, Your Honor. Actually, we do not have the exact info, but they are requesting us to have this resolution to be passed, Your Honor.
Yes, Councilor Nikki Bautista, share by recognition.
Again, Mr. Presiding Officer, I do not see any connection with our legislative work to the inventory of roads, Mr. Presiding Officer. What purpose are we being made to submit a resolution when this is not our function, Mr. Presiding Officer. I believe this is an executive function, the city engineer. I went over the letter dated April 22, 2014, signed by our CLGO, and I cannot really see any connection with the work of the Sangguniang Panlunsod with respect to the request of our CLGO. So, we are resolving what? Because if you want us, at least this is my own view, if you want us to come out with a resolution for the inventory of roads, probably we need to conduct a hearing if the contents of your attachments are, we need to verify the contents of this code. Siguro mas mainam mo din na kami isali dito kung nagmamadali kayo. Otherwise, we have so many attachments on this. Baka maungkat pati budget nito. Sige ka. Again, Mr. Presiding Officer, I see no connection with our work with respect to the updating of the embed. Partial pa nga ito eh. Partial ba? Partial pa. Bakit di pa complete? Partial updating. Bakit di nyo pa kinomplete?
Since there are a lot of questions arising from this concern, Your Honor, may I move that this be referred to the appropriate committee, Your Honor?
Yes, all including the other items?
Yes, Your Honor, including the first item under letters, Your Honor. I so move.
And the second? Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved.
That's the last item, Your Honor.